Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to learn the recipe of Kesuvina gadde or palya or taro root ki sabzi. So this is a root of taro root or colocasia or patrode. So the ingredients required here include half a cup of coconut, red chilies. You can take a mixture of badge chili and the red chili. It will give a good color to the sabzi. So one small ball of tamarind, and for the tempering, chana dal, urad dal, mustard seeds, turmeric and some hing or asafoetida, salt and jaggery powder according to your taste. So let's get started. So in a mixer bowl, add the coconut, chili, salt powder and jaggery powder and grind it into a coarse mixture. You don't have to grind it finely, it should be a coarse mixture. Add in the sugar, salt and jaggery powder. Let's prepare the taro root. So these are root vegetables, so it has to be washed thoroughly. Once washed, in a pressure cooker, add some water, add the taro root along with some salt, tamarind and jaggery powder and pressure cook for around 3 to 4 whistles. Tamarind here is very important because this root will give a tingling sensation if it is not cooked well or boiled with tamarind. So don't skip this step. So pressure cook it for at least 3 to 4 whistles. Let's prepare the tempering in the meanwhile. For preparing the tempering, add some oil, hing or asafoetida. This will give a nice flavor to your sabzi. And add in the mustard seeds, urad dal, chana dal and the turmeric. So once the tempering is done, now add in the coarsely ground mixture. So this is the consistency we are looking at. So you can see it is coarse. It should not be a fine paste. This will give a nice texture to your palya or sabzi. Just add in the mixture and saute it for 5 minutes until the coconut is slightly brown. Add in 1 tablespoon of jaggery according to your taste. So this is how the boiled taro roots looks like. Peel them well. So after peeling, add in the boiled and peeled taro root or Kesuvina gadde to the prepared mixture. And mix well. So you don't have to cook for long here, just have to ensure that the mixture has nicely coated all the taro roots or Kesuvina gadde. And adjust the salt according to your taste. And that's it. The taro root ki sabzi or Kesuvina gadde palya is ready. You can garnish this with some coriander. And this sabzi can be eaten with chapati or rice. It was very simple, right? So if you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.